Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google Analytics for content marketing. So first, we will search Google Analytics in Google and click the first result. Then, we will click Start Measuring. Now we will create our account name. Then next, our property name or your business or whatever page or website that you have. Click, and we'll change our currency to peso and at the same time our location. Then next, so we will click what industry category we are and how big or small our business is. Then next. Then you will click what is the objective of your business. So you can click multiple options for this. Or if you're not sure, you can just simply click Get Baseline Reports. Then create. Then just click I accept. Then you can choose a platform you want to use for collecting data. For now, let's see what our Google Analytics home looks like. Now, this is the landing page for Google Analytics. To view the reports offered by Google Analytics, so we'll just simply click Reports. As you can see here, it have the different reports that Google Analytics can provide. The acquisition, the engagement, the monetization, retention, demographics, etc. So now, since we are doing content marketing, we'll click engagement so that we can see what content we can use for marketing. And that's how you use Google Analytics for content marketing. So if you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.